Hi guys, this time is Z-axis upgrade. Until now, when the Z-axis resistance increased during drilling, the stepper motor sometimes stepped out, so I decided to increase the torque to prevent step out. This video is a series for sharing the upgrade of the 5-axis CNC I built. If you want to build your own CNC machine, this channel will help you. I think you should subscribe to the channel, because you can imitate this way of building your machine and know the problems I faced, so you can reduce the wasted time I spent. If you are interested in this 5-axis CNC machine, you should first watch 2 introductory videos of this machine, because you can get an overview of this machine. Let's enjoy making awesome CNC machine. I made a macro program for machining like this stepper motor bracket before, so it's easy to make. Finished machining without problems. This motor bracket is a part I made in the early days when I started making this machine. 3 years ago. This time, I changed the connection between the Z-axis ball screw and the motor from a direct drive to a belt drive, so I decided to check the amount of backlash. There is a backlash of about 0.01 millimeters. Linux CNC has the function to adjust backlash, set in the INI folder. Previously, the amount of backlash when adjusting it was already entered, but this time I will add another 0.01 millimeters. After changing the settings, restart and test. Z-axis force seems to be enough, but the number of revolutions seems to have down a little. Thank you for watching until the end. On this channel, I would like to upload videos about this 5-axis CNC machine using Linux CNC. Many subscribers to this channel want to know more about this machine. I didn't intend to disclose the details because this machine still has various problems, but I changed my mind. Because, if my ideal machine and your ideal machine are the same, I thought it would be better to cooperate with each other. If you are interested in this activity, please subscribe to this channel and let's grow together. And please comment what you think. I will do my best to meet your expectations.